Hello students, we are discussing about tax-free incomes, and in previous session we solved a problem relating to leave encashment. In this session, let us discuss about compensation received at the time of voluntary retirement. If an employee accepts retirement willingly before his age of retirement, that is known as voluntary retirement. It is also known as VRS, that is Voluntary Retirement Scheme. Any compensation received at the time of voluntary retirement is exempted under section 10 subsection 10C. This amount is exempt to the extent of least of the following. They are actual compensation received, or statutory limit of 5 lakhs, or least of the following two things, that is last drawn salary into 3 into number of fully completed years of service. See here, fully completed years of service, fraction of the years you have to ignore, and last drawn salary into remaining months of service left, that is from the date of his retirement till the date of the actual retirement age, remaining months of service to be considered for the calculation of the salary which is exempted from tax. Let us solve one problem so you can understand this concept better. See this problem. Raja, aged 53 years, opted for VRS after serving for 24 years and 7 months. He received rupees 10 lakhs as compensation. He had 6 years and 5 months of service left. His salary is rupees 16,000. Find out taxable compensation. You have to calculate taxable compensation received at the time of voluntary retirement of Mr. Raja, aged 53 years. Let us solve this problem. Computation of taxable compensation. 3 columns you have to draw, particulars and 2 amounts column. First you have to write actual compensation received, that amounts to rupees 10 lakhs. From this you have to deduct least of the following under section 10 subsection 10C. First one, actual amount received as compensation on voluntary retirement, that amounts to rupees 10 lakhs, or statutory limit, that is 5 lakhs, or last drawn salary into 3 into number of fully completed years of service. In this problem, you see last drawn salary is given, that is 16,000. You have to multiply it by 3 and number of completed years of service. In this problem, fully completed years of service is 24 years, and you have to ignore this fraction of years as per the rule. Okay, here that amounts to rupees 16,000 into 3 into 24, amount is 11,52,000. Here one more thing is there in the problem, that is last drawn salary or remaining months of service left. You can consider this one, or else you can ignore this, because in this problem see lower least of the following you already got, that is 5 lakh. If you calculate this one, last drawn salary into remaining months of service left, that will be more than 5 lakh only. That is why you can calculate that one here, or else you can leave that one. If you calculate that one, the number of completed years of service you have to ignore, and you have to consider the number of years left, that is in months you have to calculate. How? Here he had 6 years and 5 months left in his service, that means 6 into 12 months. You have to convert these years into months plus 5 months. Okay, that is 16 1000 into 6 into 12 plus 5. Like that you have to consider, that will be more than 5 lakhs. If you want, calculate that one also. Here, least of the following is the statutory limit of 5 lakhs, that you have to deduct from actual compensation received 10 lakhs. So, the taxable amount of compensation received amounts to rupees 5 lakh, that is 10 lakhs actual compensation received minus least of the following 5 lakhs, taxable amount is 5 lakhs. So, this is about compensation received at the time of voluntary retirement. In the next session, let us solve another problem relating to this, and let us meet in the next session.